How to file a complaint in Agoda. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how you can do that. So let's just jump right in. The very first thing you have to do is open up your web browser, or if you're using the app, you could do that. I'm just going to go ahead and continue with my browser, and then simply search for Agoda. Once you land on the official site for Agoda, make sure to log into your account. As you can see here, I've already logged in. So what I'm going to do here is simply tap on the profile icon at the top right by tapping on the three lines first, and it will pop out a menu. Now scroll down until you find the Help Center option. Tap on it. So if you want to complain about anything, or if you want to just let them know about something that you've experienced, you can head over here, and at the bottom right corner you'll find the Contact Us option. And if you tap on it, you should be able to go ahead and type in your message, and they will respond you back within a certain time frame. And you could also do that by tapping on the Help Center again, and you'll find the AI powered bot. If you find this option, Contact Agoda Customer Service, just tap on it and you should be able to type in your problem. That's it for this video, guys. I hope it was helpful. I'll catch you guys on the next one.